Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can sync your ClickUp tasks with Trello. First things first, you'll need to open your ClickUp account and navigate to the task you want to sync. This is important because you want to ensure that the right task is selected to prevent any confusion later on. Now that we've done that, it's time to click on the More Options icon and select Integrations. Integrations are what allow ClickUp and Trello to communicate with each other, so this step is crucial. Next up, you'll find a variety of integrations. You want to find and select the Trello integration. The reason we do this is to initiate the connection between ClickUp and Trello. Once you've selected the Trello integration, a pop-up will appear. Here, you'll need to select the specific Trello board you want to sync your task with. This helps us because it ensures that your task ends up in the right place on Trello. The final step is to hit sync. Let me explain why this matters. Hitting sync is what actually sends your task from ClickUp over to Trello, finalizing the process. And there you have it. You've successfully synced your ClickUp task with Trello. This process helps you streamline your workflow, keeping all your tasks organized in one spot. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, keep syncing those tasks.